My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Every day I do snippets about what IRS may look like when all is said and done. I keep up with this daily. I have a group called the Tax Mop, which is an eclectic group from tax attorneys and CPAs, enrolled agents all across the country. We have about 5,300 people in the Tax Mob. It's a private tax group where we share resolution tips on how to go ahead. So I get a lot of the information that's fed into me from a lot of top-notch people across the United States. So what is IRS probably going to look like after Doge comes in and my watchdog is behind me? Sammy, you're not getting an appearance fee here. She always wants one. She gets a treat. What's IRS is going to be scaled down. My guess is they're going to have about 50% less people. They fired Lily. We were talking to someone on the phone trying to resolve a case when that person was asked to get up and leave the building. He was one of the 8,000 people that were removed. A lot of people, because of what's happening, are going to retire. I'm going to imagine 30 to 40% of the workforce is going to retire. The people there now have no idea what's going on. It's unbelievable. It's a time that we've really never seen. I think the problem that we have in the industry and people who work for IRS is no one knows what's going to happen. Usually when something like this happens, there's a well thought out plan on what's going to happen. It seems this time what's happened is they says, okay, we're going to skin anything down and we'll fix it as we go. They almost have a fix it as we go attitude because the administration or Doge has never clearly laid out a plan of action what IRS is going to look like. They've thrown out pieces and say it's going to be it's going to be more automation. Everyone's going to be able to log in, throw their papers in the IRS if they get audited, and boom, IRS will come back and give you a settlement proposal. So everyone is trying to figure out where this is going, but right now IRS is a complete mess. It's really at a standstill. The people really work there in fear right now. Honest to God, I spoke to a revenue officer out in California. She says, we have no idea whether we're going to have a job or what's going to happen to us. I think at the end of the day, we're going to have a skinnied IRS, full automation, and the people are there are going to be no nonsense. They're going to actually, I think enforcement is going to go ahead and rise up, because they want to collect the tax, and when you enforce, you have less of a problem and you don't need the manpower that you need. I will keep you posted on a daily basis, but IRS right now is in a complete shit show and there's no plan to go ahead and fix it. You know, usually what you want to do is you want to say this is where we're going. Well, they kind of know where they're going, but we don't know what the hell that officially looks like. So it's a mess. I just try to keep you posted on the facts. Get a hold of me if you want, if you have a tax problem, but I do try to give you the very best I can when it comes in. Thank you.